G'day guys, Mike at Outback Kitters here. Today we've got this nice, beautiful purple Jeep Wrangler. We are going to throw a ClearLidz up on top. It's the clear panoramic roof. I've actually never installed one before, but here's just a quick time lapse on how simple and easy this is to install. All right, let's go. Serious? That's easy. Okay. All right, so throw those two foam rubber inserts, driver's side, passenger side. Just remember, driver's side's the left-hand side. Over in the United States, put the ClearLidz on, put that in. That might be the world's easiest product to install. So next up, come back and tell you what we're doing here. So you've just got these bolts. It is nice that they're all individually in a bag. Stop any scratching in transit. These get bolted in. There you have it, folks, guys. That was probably the easiest product you could ever install. Literally, it was removing the existing roof, which is just the two front latches, front and rear latches, putting on the two rubber inserts which sit in there. That's going to give you a nice seal around here as well, along through the front. Make sure you're not getting any water ingress. And then once that part's gone on, I reckon the most cumbersome out of all this was ripping off that black protective plastic. Was satisfying though, mind you. And then, honestly, once the latches go back on, you have those four holding screws that go in, and that product was done. So the ClearLidz, they're in stock in Australia. It does have a whole heap of cool benefits. It does keep the vehicle a bit cooler, actually, which is amazing for us Aussies, especially up here in Queensland. So it does reflect a lot of the heat out, and also any internal heat it dissipates through. It doesn't get trapped like the factory roof. The other cool thing, obviously you've got a sunroof all year round and you're not getting sunburns as well, so it does block about 99% of the UV rays that come through. So you might get a little bit of colour, but you're not getting torched as if you're rolling around topless. Alright guys, so there you have it. If you're looking for a ClearLidz rooftop for your Jeep Wrangler or your Jeep Gladiator, make sure you do go to outbackkitters.com, and please, please, please make sure you do send us some photos of your epic adventures, of the night sky, of the beautiful scenery around you that you're now going to get. So you're going to have some amazing flexibility of the sightseeing that you do in your Jeep. So reach out to outbackkitters.com or drop us a message below and we'll make sure we sort you out.